All right, let's look at the homework 3.3, problem number 6. All right, so let's do this. It says that the ladder 16 feet long rests against a vertical wall. So we have a vertical wall and ladder is resting like that. And this is 16 feet long, right? And the theta be the angle between the top of the ladder and the wall. So we know that the theta is right here, right? And then x be the distance from the bottom of the ladder to the wall. So this is going to be x right here, right? And if the bottom of the ladder slides away from the wall, so it just moves away, so it goes like this, right? Then how fast does x change with respect to theta? All right, so it's a little bit strange here. It says that x changes with respect to theta. So we are looking for dx over d theta. So this is what we're looking for when theta is equal to pi over 3. Right? So let's set up an equation. Right? So you can see that angle is theta here. So x is going to be the opposite, and then 16 is the hypotenuse, right? So the trig ratio that involves the opposite and the hypotenuse is sine. So I'm going to set up an equation, right? We know that the sine of theta is going to be equal to opposite is x, hypotenuse is 16. So we have that. All right. Then we're interested in finding the dx over d theta. So what we need to do is we just need to take the derivative with respect to theta, right? So if you take the derivative of sine of theta, you get cosine of theta, right? And then 1 over 16 is just going to be a constant, right? Then if you take the derivative of x with respect to theta is dx over d theta. All right, so what we want is dx over d theta, so we can simply multiply both sides by 16, so that we know that the 16 times cosine of theta is dx over d theta. All right, so we know that pi over 3 is the theta value, so we plug it in. So we know that we want dx over d theta when theta is equal to pi over 3, which means that it's just going to be 16 times cosine of pi over 3. All right, cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2, right? So 1/2. So we know that the 16 times 1/2 is going to be 8. All right, so the answer is 8. So type it in. So it's 8 feet per radians. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.